If you're encountering an upload error on Litify 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check file format. Ensure that the file you are trying to upload is in a supported format. Litify typically accepts specific file types, so verify that your file meets these requirements. Step 2. Verify file size. Check the size of the file you are attempting to upload. There may be a limit on the maximum file size allowed. If your file exceeds this limit, consider compressing it or splitting it into smaller parts. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser cache can cause upload issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try to upload again. Step 4. Update browser. Make sure you are using the latest version of your web browser. An outdated browser may not be compatible with Litify's upload features. Update your browser and attempt the upload once more. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Litify's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you have already taken to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the upload error on Litify 2026. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek help from support.